For a great espresso, you need a top-notch maker that can meet all your needs and taste preferences. The espresso experts at Swiss-based Jura have included a full-color TFT on a compact machine. This extremely innovative, full-color TFT display makes it easier than ever to understand exactly what your machine is doing. All new Aroma Plus grinder is twice as fast. Espresso comforts in your own home, and this machine prepares a large variety of drinks to cover the desires of each member in your family. Perfect aroma with a natural fullness in half the time than the previous Aroma Plus model grinding system. Very modern design to go well with any kitchen decor. Delivers the perfect coffee experience no matter what your preferred beverage may be. Program up to 4 individual products at the start screen, ensuring that you always have easy access to your personalized favorites. Makes a perfect cappuccino or latte macchiato. Whatever you desire, this machine delivers. I feel like it is a treat for myself every time I make a cup.